Hello, I'm Christine Kenya, a full stack developer at PropertyPulse, and this is the project that we built on Chainlink. So it's a decentralized fractionalized real estate investment platform. It's like we tokenize real estate properties. PropertyPulse tokenizes real estate property into a token that can be fractionalized. So I'm not using ERC 721, I'm using ERC 1155 so that we can get a token that is unique and at the same time can be fractionalized. This will solve the problem where I have money to invest in real estate, but I don't have enough to invest in a whole property. So I want to invest in a fraction of the property. So let me take you to my smart contract. So this is the smart contract. I'm using Chainlink functions to get metadata from a Zillow API that will give me the details of a property, the real estate address, year built, lot size, square, building name, so I can use them as my metadata. And back to the contract, I call the issue function. The issue function can only be called on base since I want to only mint tokens on base. They are cross chain, but I can mint them only on base. So I call the issue function, and this is where we set the metadata URL and the fulfill request. So yeah, that is my smart contract. On to deployment of the smart contract. I deploy it with the initial metadata URL. I have to set the metadata URL since it's set in the constructor during deployment. So this is my deployment and this is the metadata URL. So before I get to this is the metadata URL. So we go to how we achieve this metadata URL. So now onto this small project I created site, which is helps us to get the metadata data. I'll just go direct to this. This is how I'm getting metadata and setting it. So I think I can test this. We go to this one. It's hosted on Vercel. It's already connected to a wallet. Okay. So connect wallet, connect to my wallet, then I mint an NFT. This will call issue to see first if the data exists, then mint, then loading. Yeah, we minted with ID 2. So I go back to here and get this contract address. Come to my wallet, tokens I import. It's an NFT token. We saw we minted 2. So yeah, so you can see my NFT is here. So yeah, that's how we get to mint an NFT and then I imported it to my wallet. So now we go on to how do we interact with now the investing and how do the user see the tokens. So I go back to where we started. So yeah, before I get here, I can show this is the contract. It's deployed, the interactions, the minting. Yeah, so this is the contract. You can see the interactions. There is the one we did 1 minute ago. So yeah, sorry, I didn't set the value. All right, we can just go on. So how do we interact now with the contract? With the token, sorry. So I connect my wallet to mask. You can see basically this balance. So I get started. Yeah, this is my dashboard that should help me track the tokens that I have, the progress in terms of how they are performing price. So this is the balance in my wallet: received, spent, not no interaction, no activities yet. This is the token that was minted, that exists in my wallet, the connected wallet. This token now, I pulled the metadata, and now I have the token name, which is the building name, the total balance, which is 1, and the value. This is the value in USDT. Sorry, in USD, the value that we get from the metadata. So these are the other NFTs that are in the contract, but they do not belong to me. They are not my tokens. Then that's why. So if I click on invest, yeah, this is coming soon. Yeah. And then properties, you can see all the properties, since there before we saw just 3. So you can see all the properties, and when I click, I can say 50% funded, how amount is available, and all that is available for me to invest, and can see my transactions and all that. So yeah, that is how we interact with our with our token.